Welcome back for a new video today. I hope you guys loved the Japanese cake that we made last week. Today we're going to be making a fried rice, kind of very special fried rice because I haven't seen this recipe anywhere yet. We're going to need for that, we have rice, we have some kind of mixed vegetable here, carrots in it, zucchini, cauliflower, and we have some other mix of vegetable here, mostly with corn in it, and we have some onions and red bell pepper. We have ham that we're going to be adding in it. Those are garlic cloves that I actually crushed to make them look like this, and we're going to need 2 eggs, and better and amazingly we're going to have those 2 beautiful salmon that we have right here that I actually kind of half cook. Very beautiful, yeah. We're going to need some garlic powder, we're going to need some herbs, some ginger, I have some oil here that we're going to use as well. This is my salt. It's a sea salt, but you don't have to use a sea salt for that. And this is chili pepper. We're going to need this, but not a lot of it. You want to have to put your oil first. And I'm sorry, the pan is a little bit right because I cooked the salmon in it, but it's actually fine because you want all the flavor that in it. Add those guys and those guys right here. So you're gonna add your corns in it, and you want all those vegetables in there at a very medium fire. That you want all that. So you want to have everything in there, and you're gonna let it cook for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah. Because you're gonna have that beautiful color in all your vegetable. Now we're gonna check on the vegetables and add the ham in it and the so while you are having your pan on the stove, you want to have your fish trimmed so that you're going to mix it with the rice later. So yeah, that's how you want to have your fish cut out. Add your eggs. You're just gonna make them crumbled because you don't want to have some pepper in them. Let's see how everything looks amazing. Beautiful colors and beautiful smell in there. Okay, so after you have all your eggs crumbled and looking this kind of way, the next step gonna have the next step gonna be involving the fish, the salmon that we had before. So now we have everything in there: the fish, the eggs crumble, we have the mixed vegetable, we have the ham in there, and the corn as well. So we're gonna have everything mixed together. And I'm sure that you can guess what's going to be coming into next. Beautiful. Now we're going to have the rice coming in, guys. Thank you to my little assistant right here. She's making a beautiful job there. So now my rice is in. Yeah. everything mixed together. You don't want to have anything left at the bottom of the pan, or it's gonna burn. Okay, so this is how everything is looking for now. I'm not sure I have told you about this. This is my chicken broth that I haven't told you about at the beginning of the video. I'm gonna be putting a bit of that in there. I've added the chicken broth inside our mixture of rice and everything that I've shown you, and it smells amazingly. So now we're gonna add a lot of spice in it. We're gonna have to add a little bit of sea salt, just a little bit of sea salt. A little bit of ginger. And after that, we're gonna have a little bit of garlic powder. You need it, even if we already added garlic cloves in it. And the next thing is gonna be the chili powder. The chili powder is very special because you don't want to add a lot, or you don't want to put a lot inside because it's very spicy and extremely. And the last thing that one of the last things that we're gonna have is pepper, the black pepper. And after the black pepper, we're gonna have our herbs. Come on in. So now you see how it's gonna be looking like. So for me, I've added this white cooking vinegar into this piece of mustard, and it's become more flavored and the smell is just changing. Okay guys, everything is actually done and the rice is ready to be tried. This is the final product over here, and as you can see, it was perfectly done. Everything is in there, ham and vegetables and rice and all the spices that we actually added. I tried it and it's just amazing. I'm sure you're gonna like it. You're gonna have all the specification in the description, and if you need any question or any advice, just let me know in the comment. Make sure that you click the bell to have any notification as soon as I release a new video. Thank you very much, and see you later. Bye.